एंटरप्रेन्योर्स देन मैनेजर्स। अब आपको समझ सकते हैं कि ये टॉपिक मेरा फेवरेट क्यों है, क्योंकि एंटरप्रेन्योर्स समझते हैं पीपल लाइक, थैंक यू, पीपल लाइक अस। और एंटरप्रेन्योर्स के बारे में अगर मैं आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया दूं, काम करते हैं, ठीक है, बाहर जाते हैं, दोस्तों से मिलते भी हैं, घर में आते हैं, तो पहले दिन आप बिजनेस स्टार्ट करते हैं, दूसरे दिन आपको पता चलता है प्रॉफिट कितना आ रहा है, धीरे धीरे काम करते रहते हैं, देन वी ग्रो बिग, देन वी रीच हाइट। लेकिन इनिशियली एक स्टार्ट होती है। एंड अगर हम अपने बारे में बताएं तो अच्छी फीलिंग कब आती है, जब टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के कवर पेज पे आपका ऐसा फोटोग्राफ आ जाता है, तो इस एडिशन में अच्छा, कमिंग बैक टू द टॉपिक, वी नीड मोर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स देन मैनेजर्स। मैनेजर्स से हम लोग किस चीज से रिलेट कर रहे हैं, जो कि लोग जॉब के लिए जा रहे हैं, और एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ऑब्वियसली जो अपना खुद से बिजनेस सेटअप कर रहे हैं। ऑलराइट, वी विल स्टार्ट ऑफ विद द टॉपिक। 1 2 3
I guess an entrepreneur is a manager in himself. He's managing as well as directing. So isn't it that he is a manager in himself? He's doing it himself. He's guiding people himself. He's going out himself. He's working himself. He's working day and night to build up. So he is a manager himself. So yes, we do need entrepreneurs in India, because people are like going up for jobs and doing whatever they feel like doing, going for large, big companies, interviews in big companies, and people like him are coming out and just doing what they feel like doing. Yes, I talked to him on phone one day and he was like, I felt like doing this and so I am doing this.
Okay, basically what she's saying is India is a developing country and we need a lot of entrepreneurs in this because we need a lot of concepts. Now there are some great people in our country who don't follow the mainstream courses that we all do. We all run after them and we all know that. But there are some of them who try to think different and they present their concept through what is right. Originating a something new. That requires a lot of brave heart and that requires a lot of hard work. We need a lot of individuals who come ahead and do such things.
Managers run the countries, managers run the industries, but entrepreneurs, they create the
Capital and manages the resources and earns the profit, and he's the person who creates the job.
I would like to add that
Money is not a find the profit. First of all, when you compare entrepreneurship and management,
Yeah.
see, entrepreneurship first of all is a state of mind. It's the attitude that you carry throughout your life. Entrepreneurship is not like, oh, I own a company, I'm an entrepreneur. See, if you are an entrepreneur, you could be, yes. It's a state of mind. First of all, entrepreneurship is the attitude that you carry to handle anything in your life. Not only the company, not only this. I agree. See, there are managers, they manage this, they manage that.
Yeah.
Entrepreneurship is something which
That
is
comes from inside.
exactly power. Like if you are you hire managers who are managing the manager. I want to order, I have this order. I want managing. It starts from the scratch and then reaches to the top. And that requires a very efficient management. So it is
He begins as a nobody. He has the guts to stand on a middle and say, I can follow, I can make people follow me. He has the power to say, I can make people follow me.
It's not about the what does it mean with money? And he makes money for many people. It's only about standing on its own, not coming from the bottom. Did Flipkart start from someone else? See, Bansal, he was an employee. He was an employee with Amazon. Yeah, right. And he started from somewhere. It's not like being under someone and then you cannot be an entrepreneur. Exactly. If you are becoming an entrepreneur, you are under someone. When he left Amazon, that's when he became the entrepreneur. Okay. First he left Amazon, then he became the entrepreneur. So basically, an entrepreneur is not about being under someone. We have so many. We have And the blue ocean means creating new business. So that is giving more opportunity to the young talent. This is not adequate. Flipkart, see, then obviously they were having engineers and software like typing behind the computer and saying this, that, doing their thing. But Flipkart, you won't believe, more number of employees are with e-card, the guys who come at your doorstep. So I heard somebody saying that they create education opportunities, they create this. It's not only education, the guy who comes at your doorstep, is he an educated guy? I don't think so. I know many talking about job opportunities. We are talking about job opportunities. What ideas I am about there are so many people who are getting jobs out there. Not only employ people who are educated, they also do employ all the people. That is a good point. All of you, I want to say to all of you and everyone over here, India needs entrepreneurship.
Yes, and I said you all the
Makes you work like a robot and you're coming out of nowhere you're coming and like you have the power in you and the most power in you is very power of the world.
Yes, we can put our
Somebody is becoming an entrepreneur, somebody is becoming a manager, is an employee. So the company really needs the entrepreneur.
Sir, I appreciate you, but manager also
I think that please let the we haven't heard anything from this section. We haven't heard anything about that.
a company works on its own profit and loss. But for a manager is the only one who can manage all the profit and loss.
My friend, entrepreneur, handles profit by himself. He handles profit and loss by himself. He does not need a manager to do that. That's what I said. He does not need a manager to do that. Not need a manager to
But a single entrepreneur cannot
It's not about the
So managers are also needed. Managers are
We are not talking about the need. We are talking about how to promote entrepreneurs. How to promote entrepreneurs.
It's about the
We are not contradicting any manager out there, but we are here to promote entrepreneurship. I am myself here to promote entrepreneurship.